Hi friends, today's lesson is from Module 5, Lesson 4. Our learning goal for today says, I can describe numbers the say 10 way. Ooh, this makes me think today we're going to be learning a new way to describe numbers. This is where we say the 10 that's hidden deep inside as one of the parts. Then we say however many ones are left over. Let me show you. Okay, we're going to use pictures and numbers to help describe numbers the say 10 way. As you can see, I have some 10 frames. Let's go ahead and fill those 10 frames up. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so how many do we have so far? Yeah, we have 10. Now, if we hadn't counted all of those individually, how would we know, and individually means one at a time, how would we know that this whole 10 frame is filled with 10 circles? Yes, because the 10 frame has 10 spots. And if the whole thing is filled up, that's just 10, right? So we have 10. Now let's do the other 10 frame and see how many we have. Let's just keep counting on. 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so we have 13 altogether. But our 13 is broken up into parts. See, we have the 10 that's up here. And then what's the other part? How many were in the other 10 frame? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. So we could count it as 13, or we could say the 10 and then the 3 ones. So we could say 10, 3. That's describing the number the say 10 way. We actually say the 10, 10, 3. All right, let's try another one. All right, I already have the 10 frame filled in. So what number is this? Yes, it's 10. Let's count on some ones down in this bottom 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh. Let's see. If I want to count from 10, I could say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's how we probably would the regular way to describe that number, 17. But we want to practice the say 10 way. So first we're going to say the number that we see in this 10 frame. And what number is that, friend? Yes, 10. Okay. And then how many circles are in this bottom 10 frame? Can you go ahead and count those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So the number is 17, but if I wanted to describe it the say 10 way, I would say 10, 7. All right, let's try another one. You're doing fantastic. All right, for this one, I have it already all set up. So if I'm going to say this number, I'm going to say it the say 10 way. I'm going to give you a hint. It's 19. Because I had 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's how I would say it the regular way, is 19. How can I say 19 the say 10 way? Well, what am I going to say first? Yeah, I'm going to say the number that's in this 10 frame. So what number is that? 10. And then now what am I going to say? Yeah, the number that's in this 10 frame. And what number is that? You can count the circles if you need to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So 19, the say 10 way, is 10, 9. Friends, what is 19 the say 10 way? Good. 10, 9. See, when we're describing numbers the say 10 way, we're just going to say that 10 first. Then we're going to say how many ones there are after we've said that 10. We want to be thinking of that 10 frame. Okay? It's going to help us out. All right, so our learning goal said I can describe numbers the say 10 way. And we figured out that we could say the 10 and then say the ones. All right, so here we go. We have a 10 filled up, and then we have some ones in the bottom to make 18 altogether. I would like you to go ahead and say 18 the say 10 way and send me a quick video for your exit ticket. All right, good luck, friends.